Why is prompt engineering important? Well, we're going to look at what Google Bard has to say and what ChatGPT has to say. Frankly, there's a lot of gobbledygook, not gobbledygook, but there's a lot of too much information, I think. Basically, what this is saying is that prompt engineering is important because it is going to give you the output that you're looking for. It's about designing the inputs, the prompts, in order to make the outputs more useful to you. So really that's what this is fleshing out. Prompt engineering is important because it can help to ensure that the AI model is focused on the desired output. It can help to improve the accuracy of generated content. It can help to increase the creativity of the generated content. All right, so it's that old computer principle: garbage in, garbage out. If you give Google Bard or ChatGPT garbage input, the quality of the output is going to be lower. If you give it better input, better prompts, it's going to give you better output. And that's why prompt engineering is important. Let's look at what ChatGPT has to say. There's seven things that are mentioned here. Okay, improved model response. So if you focus on prompt engineering, you're going to get better responses. Again, garbage in, garbage out. Giving clear instructions, then as it says, you can guide the model to generate outputs that align with your desired outcome. But that's something to be thinking about, is what is the desired outcome that you're looking for? And the goal is to then engineer those prompts to get those desired outcomes. Mitigation of biases. This, of course, is a significant emphasis of OpenAI and their ChatGPT technology. They don't want to inadvertently reflect and amplify societal biases. We'll have to do another episode on that topic. Let's see, context and specificity. These are very important. A lot of the way that we converse human to human can be more vague and maybe lack context, or maybe context is very important. The point is that you're going to get better results the more context and more specificity you can provide with your prompts. Prompt engineering is important, number 4, because by carefully constructing the prompts, you can exert more control over the generated output. Again, the better the prompts you give, the better the output you're going to get as a general rule. Number 5 is sort of a repeat of number 2. This is a significant concern with these generative AI models is not producing unsafe or, as it says, harmful, illegal, or inappropriate content, right? And then iterative improvement. So experimenting is important and valuable in prompt engineering. Iteration, trying again and trying again. All right. So hopefully that gives you some ideas of why prompt engineering is important. Again, it just goes down to that old computer principle: garbage in, garbage out. Which really, I mean, that is not just a computer principle. It also applies in a broader scope, right? If you eat junk food, then your body is not going to perform as well, right? So the point with prompt engineering is that the better questions you can ask, the more specific you can make your prompts, the more context you can provide, the better output you're going to get.